It is nothing but shock, stunned silence. The only people happy about it were Gabe's family. This is a complete miscarriage of justice. The state, the people of Alabama have been robbed from a chance to see justice carry out by a rogue judge.
Well, Jose Baez, a lot of people thought almost the same kind of thing during the Casey Anthony trial. They felt there was no justice for little Kaylee. But in this particular case, he did not even let the case go to the defense. Why?
What are we talking about, justice or vengeance here? I think this was the appropriate action for the judge to take at this time. A judge is charged with a certain responsibility. And if the evidence is not there, as it clearly indicated in this case, it's his duty to take the appropriate action.
Let's take a look at what the judge had to say the other day after he dismissed the jury and basically spanked the prosecutor in court.
Let me see if I get your theory right. The defendant buys an engagement ring. He gives it to his future bride. He marries her. He plans a trip halfway around the world that's paid for by him or his family. And he did all of that and planned it all here so he could go over there and tell her so he could get the same engagement ring he purchased.
Look, you don't have to prove motive, Jose, but was it proper for the judge to do this in this particular case? Because, yeah, that's what they were trying to prove, but he didn't allow, he just stopped the trial.
But the evidence outweighed its prejudicial effect. There was no evidence of that. What did he actually go to prove? That he wanted the ring back? And I think the judge made a clear argument here. He was clear. It makes no sense. It doesn't pass the laugh test. So why allow something so prejudicial to go before a jury? I think what you have in this case is a lot of he didn't act right type evidence.
But what about
the most dangerous kind of evidence?
The Australian authorities, they did a reenactment, a police reenactment, to show the people in Australia what happened or what they believe happened, but they would not allow that in this courtroom. Why not let the jury see what the prosecutor thought happened there while they were diving?
Because we don't have a time machine of justice. You can't go back and recreate the same conditions in the ocean in Australia and bring it here in the United States.
But that's where it happened. That's where the alleged crime happened.
Well, he's being charged for planning it here and carrying it out there. So I don't think that type of evidence even passes the sniff test.